you always have the hardest time with hair. Really, hair is I did kind of do a little bit of a tutorial for a follower of mine. The way I draw hair is I imagine it like ribbon, like strands of ribbon. I don't have a ribbon on me. But it would I'm trying to okay, I can't even show this. How I explain how hair works is, well, when you draw it anyway. So you see this. Think of a strand of hair like more like a ribbon. Don't think of it like string or anything, because the worst thing you can do for hair is to draw like strand per strand, because then it looks thin. So you want to think of it like ribbon, and look at how a ribbon bends. So art is all of art is shapes. You break everything down into shapes with art. That's all you need to do. So I'll show you with my hand first. So my hand is literally a square. This is a square. This is all this is. It's not a hand, it's a square. And then you have like a weird like oblong here. But I break these up into cubes anyway. Like I'll do a cube here, a cube here, a cube here, because of how it bends. Cube, cube, cube. That is all everything is. Everything's shapes. Every single thing ever is shapes. So once you break down everything into shapes, then you can add the detail as you go along. So you start with a bent strand. I'll show you how I would do this actually. I'll put my pen down. So let's draw this ribbon. So it's kind of like, when it's bent, it's like this. So it's like that. Kind of wraps around. So you want to make this bit darker because that's the behind bit. And there you go. That's kind of how it works. And then once you have that, then you draw bits off of it. So then you have more strands. And then you create more detail in. And now you have hair. You have hair. Incredible. Look at your hands and all you see is cylinders. There you go. See? Everything in life is shapes. When you can break down everything into shapes, then you know how to draw. Anyone can draw though. They'll show you here as well how I've done this like flip here. That is all it is. That's all it is a bent strand. A bent bit of ribbon. I've done it here as well. Bent bit of ribbon. And then I just do lots of other little bent bit of ribbons. Breaking off. Lots of bent little ribbons on top of each other. Yeah, that's my hair tutorial. Dumbed down, extremely dumbed down, because that's how art should be. Art isn't complicated, it's just understanding shapes. That is all it is. I'm gonna do like a glow on the staff thing. Yeah, I like how this is coming out. That's pretty dope. Hair is just a helix. Right, now I've forgotten what a helix shape is, so I'm gonna Google that. I can only think of like the Pokemon. Helix. No, not the piercing. Yeah, you got it, exactly. Exactly, that is what it is. And then when you look at that shape, think of it like it's 2D. I know when you see it, your brain instantly recognizes it as a 3D piece, but flatten it in your head. And there you have it. Then you will be arting. DNA. Hair is DNA. I mean, I guess it is. I guess it... Yeah. See, this is... I'm doing details before I've actually properly laid down the colours. I was gonna fix stuff, wasn't I? Shite. Am I still gonna do that? I'm gonna do it. I have to